Hello and welcome to today's English grammar video. This video focuses on two things, going to and well. So I'm going to share with you some differences between the two of them, between going to and well, how to use them in sentences, and how to tell if you need to use going to or well. So if you have any questions regarding the differences between the two, all you need to do, watch the video till the end, because I'll be sharing everything that is related to going to and well. With that being said, let's start the lesson and not to keep you waiting. Number one. When do we need to use going to and well? We need to use them when we talk about future events. What do I mean by future here? Future means something that will take place in advance, or it can even take place maybe in a few seconds or a few minutes from now. So this is also considered to be future. Alright? Number two, how to use well and going to. You need to use well when you talk about immediate decisions. Like, what do I mean by immediate decisions? Decisions that you need to make it at the moment of speaking. How? Let's say someone comes to you and asks for your help. In this case, you can say, I will help you. You are using well. Why? Because you are making instant decisions. Instant decisions or immediate decisions where you haven't planned for this decision before and you are making it at the moment. That is why we call it instant. This is number one. Number two, you can use well when you talk about events or actions that might take place in the future. Might. So what do I mean by might here? It might take place and it might not take. Whether it actually takes place or not. Just 90% sure, in this case we can use well. Alright, now let's move into going to. When do we need to use going to? You need to use it when you talk about planned activities. What do I mean by planned activities? Activities that you planned for it in advance. For example, let's say you really want to go on vacation, maybe in August, for instance. So in this case, you will be doing your search by looking at the best hotels, the best restaurants, the places, the price of the ticket and everything. And when it is time for you to travel, you can say, I am going to travel in August. Why going? Because it's planned. It is happening for sure. You planned everything. So in this case, we use going to. Why can't we say, I will travel in August? Because if you use will, that doesn't mean you are 100% sure. It can be just an idea that you really want to go, but not really sure whether you can actually make it or not. So this is the difference between will and going to. Now, what do we need to do? We need to look at just two examples to understand the idea better. So, where are you going? So the question starts with, where are you going? So because the question is about ing, so the answer should be ing too. So we can say, I am going to see a friend. Why can't we say, I will see a friend? Because the situation is happening right now. It shows that you have planned to visit a friend, so you are ready to go. Let's look at this example. I completely forgot about it. Give me a moment, and then I do it now. If we are not really sure whether the answer is going to or will, we need to look at the meaning of the sentence. It's really important to look at the meaning of the sentence before choosing the answer. So, what is the meaning in this sentence? The first part of the sentence shows that I forgot about doing something, or maybe I forgot to offer my help. So what happened? Give me a moment. And then we have I do it now. So when we say give me a moment, that means I do it now. It's something that you need to do it at the moment of speaking. And because you are offering some help, or maybe you need to do some service at the moment of speaking, you need to use will. I will do it now. These are basically the differences between will and going to. I really hope you find this grammar video helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any ideas or grammar topics that are so difficult for you to understand, let me know in the comments and I will create a video about them. Alright? Before saying goodbye, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video some like. Right? So yeah, this is all. I wish you a happy day and I'll see you on the upcoming video. Bye.